Beyond the edge of Sri Lanka's northern coastline lies a realm of enchantment, where nature unfolds its most profound mysteries. Here, the land breathes in rhythm with the sea, a living canvas of evolution and wonder. This is a place where time lingers. The mangroves, guardians of the wetlands, stand as sentinels of an ancient world, sheltering creatures both seen and unseen. Every rustle, every ripple, tells a tale as old as the earth itself, a story of resilience, of life finding a way. Here, survival is not a struggle, but a symphony, played out in the quiet strength of every leaf and every wing beat. Each year, as the winds shift and the seasons turn, the skies above this northern land are graced by a great migration. Thousands of birds from the farthest reaches of the globe find solace here in the arms of wetlands that offer everything: sanctuary, sustenance, and serenity. In places, flamingos paint the horizon with their hues, while shorebirds weave delicate patterns across the sky. It is a sacred pilgrimage, a timeless connection between the earth and its winged voyagers. Here, where the sea's wild embrace meets the stillness of the wetlands, there is a poetry that words cannot contain. It is written in the rhythm of the waves, in the quiet murmur of mangroves swaying in the breeze, and in the echo of birds calling to the open skies. In places, mangroves stand like silent guardians along the lagoons, their tangled roots cradling life beneath the water's surface. The wetlands here are breathtaking, a sanctuary of beauty where lagoons glisten under the sun, reflecting the ever-changing sky above. Its vibrant waves and clear waters create an inviting atmosphere for those seeking a blend of beauty and serenity. In the northern province, the land whispers its secrets to those who listen. It is not merely a destination, but an awakening. A reminder of the delicate threads that bind us to this extraordinary planet. This is nature's masterpiece, eternal and unyielding.